Good morning! Today we're in the city of Lisbon in Portugal. It's currently 9 a.m. and we have great weather, so there's no rain. The weather app originally said rain, but right now it's just looking cloudy and I think it's around 11 degrees. So I have my sweater, have my coat on. We're staying in a place 30 minutes walk away from downtown. So currently we are walking that way to go get some breakfast. The streets are looking pretty empty currently, but we did walk by a couple restaurants that were really full for not yellow, but follow the pink brick road. Not brick, follow the pink road. Follow the pink road. I should not have jinxed the weather because one, barish hone lag gayi hai. But it's not too bad, it's just a little sprinkle. But main sir dhota si apna, so I do not want my hair to get wet. Baki curly girls, curly hair girlies nu pata hai jab sade wal gille ho jande hai kinne frizzy ho jande hai. So we gotta take care. There's cute little gift shops all along the street. Cute. We finished breakfast and now we've made it to this tourist area. We have the Lisbon Urban Beach on that side. And then we'll be walking towards the cathedral. So I know that's also another tourist place. But look at this. It did start raining, but now it's stopped. Or actually, it rains here and there, but it's very little. Hello to my bestie. She's also making her own vlog on her own channel, so go check that out. What's your channel's name? Gurnaz. Go check out her channel at Gurnaz. Is it at Gurnaz?
Just Gurnaz. Nobody took my name.
Oh wow, lucky you. Well, anyways, go check out Gurnaz's vlog as well. It's gonna be probably more entertaining than mine.
I don't think so. I'm very bad at YouTube.
Sure you are. Anyways, I keep saying anyways. Surrounded by my favorite color, yellow, and all four corners. And we're probably gonna head over there to just check out the view of the water. So let's go. It has started raining way more now. We did not go inside the cathedral, but if you are interested to go inside, it is €5 for a ticket. Now we're walking towards the Castelo de São Jorge. Please note that there's a lot of uphill and a lot of stairs here. We have made it to this very beautiful viewpoint, but all of the stairs could have been avoided. So there is an elevator here, so all those stairs could have been avoided. And why are you taking a picture of me? Hey, why are you taking a picture of me? I saw that paparazzi. She just chuckles. Anyways, yeah, all of that could have been avoided. All this strenuous, but I'm getting my steps in, and we gotta burn off all those calories that we keep eating. How cute. There's someone playing the banjo here. So cute. Okay, chaliye. See the elevator to the viewpoint? Can't believe we walked all the way. As we were walking by, we saw this cute little restaurant. It's called
What kind of angle is this?
Why do you care? It's called Castelo Santo Antonio, and we're gonna go in because they got an award.
I'm not even in the vlog. It's like angles of my head.
My angles are always random, like you should know this. The award in 2019 for the best cream custard tart. So there is a line here right now. There's a line here now, but on the way back we're gonna stay in line, not right now. Never mind, we were mistaken, that was not a line.
Vlogception.
That was not a line, it was just a group of tourists.
I told you, she doesn't know lessons to me.
A group of tourists were just standing in a line for some reason. Anyways, we're heading in. let's go try out the best cream custard tart. इतने गुरनाज दी राय जो टिकटॉक बनाती होती है ओदी ਅਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ she's using my purse as a little tripod. The lighting is pretty. We got our little custard tarts and we're gonna do a video testing them out. Custard tart, cheers! You guys, it tastes like jalebiyan, less sweet version of jalebiyan, and also in a custard form, and it's kind of gooey and like, you know, different but yummy. पहले ਲਈ मैं आइस्ड कॉफ़ी ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਿਕਲੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੌੜੀ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਖੰਡ ਪਾਈ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਕੌੜੀ ਸੀ then I asked for milk so then they put like this much ਇੰਨਾ ਕੁ milk ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਇਆ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਕੌੜੀ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ cinnamon ਪਾਈ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਕੌੜੀ and then I mixed it all up and now it's a little bit bearable ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਕੌੜੀ it's getting sunny yay the noon iced I have friends Cordy iced coffee peeny patty. We're still walking uphill to the castle. We are now at Rua de Santa Cruz de Castelo, which I'm guessing Rue means street and then de Santa Cruz de Castelo, that's probably the name of the street from what I know in French, and maybe it's the same in Portuguese. Smart guesses. Anyways, बारिश आई मेरे बाल ख़राब करके चलेगी इन्ने भी ख़राब नहीं लग रहे वैसे but you know they're frizzier now. Still having my Cordy जी iced coffee. सूरज निकल गया है बहुत सोहना लग रहा है हुण मौसम ते असी कैसल दे अंदर आ गए हैं. The ticket was around 10 euros. If you are under 25 it is only 7.50. Fun fact, there are little peacocks here around the castle. How cute! Why is it walking towards me, man?
Birds like you.
Hey little pretty peacock. Hello.
Yeah, a beautiful view of Lisbon from here.
There are so many peacocks. I just spotted 4. There's some over here. Oh, you can't see them. I don't want to go close to them because I don't know if you know from my other vlogs, but I am scared of birds. They look pretty from far away though.
Oh, female, male.
कितने ज़्यादा मोर.
Oh, कुछ नहीं कहना.
There's so many of them. Wow, so pretty. It's so windy though. So many. 1, 2, 3, 4. ਇੱਥੇ right here I just see like 5 more more. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਵੈਸੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਗੋਂ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਹੋਈ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੋਰ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵਾਲਿਓ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੋਰ ਯੂ نو ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਇੱਕ ਗਾਰਡਨ 'ਚ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਟ ਉੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੋਰ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੋਰ ਦਿਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ 6-7 ਮੋਰ ਯੂ نو ਆਮ ਫਿਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਡਰਦੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਆਫ ਸ਼ੌਕਡ ਐਟ ਦੈਟ ਉਹ ਸਗੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਡਰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਭੱਜ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ but it's nice to see that you know they are here and not afraid of humans. Look at this view. Unbelievable. These stairs are a little scary. This is really ਨਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਨਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਗਲੀਆਂ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ। Oh my god! Sorry, there was birds. We finished walking around the castle. We usually do tours in the castle, but today they weren't doing them, so unfortunate for us, but we still had a great time exploring the Peacocks and admiring the beautiful view from the top of the castles. What is happening with this lighting? And now we're gonna be walking towards the flea market. It stopped raining for a bit, which was nice because we got our pictures without the rain falling. But I am feeling a little bit of a drizzle here and there, so hopefully it doesn't start raining too much. बहुत ही अजीब जो weather है, कभी नहीं बनता है, कभी नहीं बनता. We're now at the Lisbon flea market and we're gonna look around and see if we find something cute little knickknacks. ਚਾਹ ਟਾਈਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਵਾਦ ਲੱਚੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟੇਸਟ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਡ ਆਲਸੋ ਅਦਰਕ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਰੇਨੀ ਵੈਦਰ ਤੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਇਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਲੰਚ ਖਾਧਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਓ ਮਾਈ ਗॉड ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਬੈਸਟ ਫੂਡ ਐਵਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਸਵਾਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਬੀਇੰਗ completely honest 10 out of 10 for this restaurant it's called Yak and Yeti it's in Lisbon अगर तुसी ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो तुहानू इंडियन फूड और नेपाली फूड पसंद है definitely you should come here. Cheers. This is the restaurant we just ate at and I would recommend it 100%. We're currently in the Indian area of Lisbon. Just saw a Desi Chaat house. Maybe if I hadn't had cha in the other place that we had lunch, then we would have gone cha here. Cha is always needed. I also saw a sari place, which is very surprising. I don't see enough Indian community here for them to have that much business. I hear the back. I'm honestly not sure where I am, but when I checked the map, it said Fontes de Monumentos de Rocia. So there is a little fountain here, and then there's a monument on the other side. I'm guessing this is the shopping center because there is McDonald's, I see Starbucks, and I did not see that in the other area of Lisbon we were in. And there's also other shops such as Zara. कोने कोने च देख लो Ronaldo ਦੀਆਂ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ Ronaldo ਦੀਆਂ ਹੀ jerseys. Portugal is definitely crazy about him. We just finished dinner and now we are at another tourist destination. It's an elevator, funny enough, elevator de Santa Justa. So it's basically what it sounds like. It's an elevator that shows like a viewpoint. This is what it looks like. We're not gonna go up, but if you are interested, I think it is around €5. There is a ticket, but look how pretty it looks. Very nice architecture here. Honestly, we should have something like that in Vancouver. Just like a viewpoint that will show the whole city views. This is kind of cool. It was made in 1902. So it is a very old building. Surprisingly looks very modern though. What a fun-filled day. We're heading back to the hotel now. So that's the end of this night. But I'll see you tomorrow.